Welcome back, lovelies, and thank you so much for making it the mix this morning. Now, we have Michelle here on the mix today, and she's talking about Auntie Donna and the situation that allegedly arose with this lady that she helped in the past that's now suing her. So, Michelle is saying basically that when she comes on social media and she speaks, sometimes people do not listen to, what she has to say. And she had forewarned to say, sometimes some things that are said should not be said because, people will be listening and people tend to listen to everything, every detail, and to make from their own opinion. So she's now saying that the court case could have been avoided if Auntie Donna had just went ahead and removed the video, or spoken to the lady about that issue, the issue that she was having, read the video. So I'm gonna have to go and catch what she has to say. And remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. It's very important that you subscribe so that I could go ahead and keep making you these videos. Have yourselves a wonderful day.
Sometimes I talk when I don't like listen. When me talk, when Michelle Donna talk, when I cuss me, I wanna drag me, I wanna say all kind of things, right? When I say me is a horrible person, me is a Judas, me was no friend, me is this and that and whatever. Let me tell you something. You see, sometimes you have to give people tough love. You understand? Sometimes you have to be really cruel to be kind. Sometimes you have to rough up some people. You have some picnics and you want to see the best of them. You want them to come out to something, you want them to do better, and you really and truly have to give them, you have to rocks them up, you have to give them some tough love, some proper tough love. Sometimes you have to give some adults that. Sometimes you have to give some people where you're them a friend. Understand? You have some friend we have to really and truly tell them the truth no matter how it's going to make them feel. I mean that. Me tell you, me a surgery to the bone. That's me. Let me tell you something. Me get to understand, say, Miss Donna get sued. And me talk on one of my video, right? But I was really upset about something, right? And I say, me tell her, I say, one of her problem is that she chat too much. She's talking too much. I don't know. Get on the knickers in a twist, so I get offended and I feel some type of way and stuff like that. But me tell you something, you see, sometimes we mouth can put us in a serious problems. You understand? Sometimes we have to know what to say, when to say it, and how to say it, and why we are saying it. Right? Because if we don't, we can get into serious trouble. Let me tell you something as well. You see, when you're growing and you're getting bigger and bigger and bigger, you have to have a lawyer on deck, right? Because you're no longer small fish anymore. You're growing. Even me myself, I don't reach nowhere, right? But I have people in the background where give me advice, or keep me in check, right? Because I don't want to say anything that is politically incorrect, because that can cost me a great deal. So I am so careful. So yeah, I have 1 or 2 people who check in with me, where ensure say, okay, now do this, now do that, policies change, legislation, whatever it is, anything. I am being up to date. They up to date me. You understand? They update me, sorry. So certain things me not do. I'm gonna say it all the time, right? When you grow, you have to start taking status serious because you deal with the public. And when we have calling shows and stuff like that, and we have to discuss sensitive matters, we have to deal with it with great sensitivity and consideration, right? Because we can't just get up and just speak on certain topics just willy-nilly. So you understand? So with her situation with this young lady, I don't want to call her name, but she came on Miss Donna's live and she was educating people about PEP, that drug. I spoke about it as well. And then based on how the live went, it was implied, insinuated, inferred that, the lady, for her to be on PEP, maybe she have HIV, something like that. And she felt some type of way, she felt hurt about it. I think she contacted Tammy Faye, sorry if me butcher her name, Tammy Faye. She sent an email, and she also sent an email to Miss Donna as well. And let me tell you something, you say if they just deal with the thing off the ear and just handle it and just acknowledge the fact that she hurt and just have a conversation with her about it, we wouldn't reach here. So nobody wouldn't have to sue nobody, right? If you did just, Mr. Nana, if you did just sit down and speak to the girl, just talk to the young lady, right? Hear her out, right? And agree to do what she wants to do. And even if this doesn't go to court, you understand, if not come out of it, but moving forward, we have to know the things and what to say and what to do and how to act, how to deal with certain situations. So if you did just hear her out, that's all she wanted. She wanted the life to be removed. Sometimes I tell you something, it's worth losing money than losing our reputation, right? Our dignity, our integrity. You're big, you can make back all of that, the money there for that video. So she asked, she said, just remove it because the comments were in the in the comment section, certain comments were, it wasn't so favorable towards her. And I guess maybe that's what she wanted. And if that she wanted, I know nothing that, just remove it. Right? Remove it. And now we reach here so where somebody like you should not sue people, not the other way around. You know what I mean? Nobody should not come and sue you. For the amount of things where you go through on social media, the people say some horrible and nasty things about you, but them shouldn't say or accuse you of things where them don't know about, right? We're not sure about it. We don't know what's going on. I'm always say I'm not accuse nobody of something that I don't know, because I don't want to get myself in any trouble. Right? I'll speak on a matter, but I'm not accuse nobody. So if you did just hear her out, read the email in its entirety, call her off the ear, have a conversation, hash out on the need for hash out, you wouldn't reach her. So no, you're at the point where you talk to other bloggers. Let me tell you something. Us the bloggers, we can't give legal advice. None of we can here stand a liar. As intelligent and as knowledgeable as we are not lawyers. You need to go and get a lawyer. So you should be talking to a lawyer. You understand? You should be talking to a lawyer, not social media people, platform, not these bloggers, not us. Trust me, not us, because we're not going to deal with you in a courthouse. So you're supposed to be talking to your lawyers, to find out how you can go forward and start get, proper solid advice. You understand what I'm saying? So sometimes when we talk, I say, sometimes we ego get the best of us. When the things I'm being horrible. No, I'm not being horrible, it's true. Sometimes when we start get famous and get this money, we feel like we're untouchable and we ego get bigger and bigger. It's true, it happens. It's a natural thing for a lot of people. Sometimes people change. Some people feel like them better. I'm not saying you better, you think say better than others, I'm not saying that, but I'm just saying in general, people tend to feel like that. You understand? Because money, fame and power, that's what happens. You tend to start thinking that, okay, I'm better than you, you know what I mean? Trust me, and start to treat people like they're nothing. I must say that's a general statement. Yeah. But when I say ego, ego. Because I've seen it, I'm being real. You have an ego. You understand? You have an ego, especially dealing with certain things. Because, you have a large platform, you have the backing, the masses like you or whatever. So your ego will get larger than life. You understand? But members say, when time you're being sued, the masses not going to enter the courthouse with you. You understand? I'm going to tell you something. You see, one time, if you fail, 9 times out of 10, everybody run gone left you. Them gone left you. You're so quick the crowd turn against you. But you see the ones them like me where we just stand up plain and straight and tell you the truth. And we are going to see one are going there to stick around with the same way. we are gonna tell you the truth. We're not gonna blow smoke up your ass. We're gonna tell you, right? I know me, I gonna take to my platform now, and I'm just gonna tell you, I gonna use my platform and tell you. You know, that means say when we talk other platform holders, maybe can listen to what me I say. Me is not the brightest of the bunch, but me have a look of something up here, so you understand? Me have a look of something. My delivery might not 100 at times, and me might have, you know, the way me talk, you know, might have all over the place, but I just get the gist in at the end. You understand? So, as we say, bloggers, we shouldn't be talking to bloggers now. We shouldn't be, you know, I get so look to bloggers for comfort or anything like that. Not now. You're supposed to be talking to your lawyer. Talk to your lawyer. You know, talk about the case online. The lady she posts or whatever. That's it. And I think she ain't no more long talking or whatever. As I said, we don't know the outcome, but we'll all learn from this, you know, say, and any thing we can do or say, right? We have a responsibility. Me say this all the time. We have a responsibility to the public to act accordingly. We have to set an example, right? And I think sometimes we're not grown, we can't just go on anyhow, especially when time you know preach positivity. And you can't just pick up and behave anyhow and talk anyhow and galang anyhow. No. When time on the upset, take time for yourself behind the scenes. Me always say talk to family, talk to close friends and cool down, and then you take to your platform and talk about a completely different topic. You understand? Because sometimes not everything needs to be addressed. Right? Anyways, I can't get the people that won't know. So take care of yourself and stay blessed.